Total revenue is
Price times
revenue
quantity.
minus total cost.
Yeah, revenue is price times quantity, hey?
Oh yeah, you sorry, you're right, yes.
Yeah, because price times quantity would give you revenue. So in other words, selling price times the quantity that you sold.
Yeah.
Okay, so here they wanted you to calculate what? Let's see. Question one, what are the equations for total revenue? Okay, so they wanted the equations. Perfect. So TR, TC, and then obviously profits. Okay,
Yeah.
profit is the TR minus the TC.
Oh yeah, you're right, yes, yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so profit is looking at the difference between
Times.
your revenue and your costs. That would be, have you done your accounting modules as part of your, I think you said you're doing what, BCom informatics or something like that.
Yes, yeah.
Is that right?
But yeah, I did that in 2003, so
Okay, so the accounting you would have done quite a while back, yeah.
yes, yeah.
Okay, so in accounting they would have covered income minus expenses or revenue minus costs. So that's exactly what you're looking at there. So just
Yeah.
application in terms of mathematics. Did you have a question?
Oh no.
Okay. All right. So looking at this, obviously you've got Q as the quantity, you've got fixed costs here, and you've got the
Yeah.
lamp costing 150 each, which is a
The
variable cost,
variable.
and they
Yeah.
tell you what the selling price is. So total revenue would be 350 Q, price times quantity. The cost would be the fixed plus the variable, 10,000 plus 150 Q. And then if you want to work out the profit, it'll be the one minus the other. So 350Q minus open brackets 10,000 plus 150Q close brackets. Right. So if you simplify the profit, minus 10 minus 150 is going to give you 200Q minus 1, not 1, 10,000.
10,000.
Okay,
Yeah.
so options. Let's see. 350Q, yes, yes. So 1 or 2. Then total cost is 10,000 plus 150Q. So number 1. And then 200 minus 10. Yeah, option 1. Okay, thoughts about 2?
Okay. Okay, so break even point is where I think it's total revenue equals total cost.
Correct. Very good. Okay, so break even means there is no profit and there is no loss. So
Yeah.
if your
Equilibrium,
TR,
yeah.
your revenue, equals your TC, which is your cost, then you're not going to have a profit. So you're going to make this equation 350Q equal to 10,000, okay, plus 150Q. Make sense?
Yep.
All right, and then they probably want you to solve for Q. Yes, break even quantity. So take the 150 across, it becomes minus. So you'll have 200Q equals 10,000. So Q is 10,000 divided by 250, option 2.
Yep.
Okay, thoughts about 3? How many lamps were
Um,
produced and sold if they made a loss of? What are you thinking about?
how many lamps were produced and sold if they made a loss of 2,000? So you're probably going to take the even point, maybe minus 2,000,
Not quite. Okay,
or
so if you read this question, what stands out? The word loss, right?
yes, yeah,
Okay, so remember this equation we had here was representing a profit. Do you agree?
yeah,
Can this equation represent a loss? Yes. Then the profit won't be positive, it'll be negative. Does it make sense?
yes, yeah.
Okay, so you would literally write down what you had there as an equation, but you'd have minus 2000
Yeah.
as the profit figure. So it's profit or loss, obviously, depending on whether it's favorable, unfavorable. All right, so if a business makes less revenue and they have more costs, then you'll have a loss instead of a profit. But you'll still have TR minus TC. Revenue minus
Okay.
cost will still give you the right answer, either a profit or a loss. If your costs are too high, then you'll land up with the loss. Does it make sense?
Okay. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so if you've got that, you're going to solve for Q. So take the 10,000 to the left, it'll become 8,000. 8,000 equals 200Q. Okay, solve for Q. Q will obviously equal 8,000 divided by 200.
200.
40, option 2.
Okay.